Search for Chrome download and then get to the page and then click on download and then choose the .deb package and then save the file. Now it is getting downloaded. Once you download, you have to open it. This will open up the package installer. Here you can click on install package. You have to authenticate. Click on continue. And now Google Chrome is getting installed. It is done. Now you can close this and search for Chrome. Here it is. Let's open it. Choose these settings, whether you want to make Google as default browser or you want to send. You can sign in or just continue.